Alright guys, I'm going to try to show you how to move the stuff into our module so the kids can see it. It's good to have two tabs open, both on Canvas, so you can toggle back and forth between the two, so you don't have to keep jumping back to this page to find what you need. So I've already done Monday and Tuesday, so we're going to do Wednesdays together. So you're going to click on Wednesday, and it's going to pop up the blank when we need to fill that with the stuff the kids need to see. So we're going to hit edit. Okay, and then the first thing I always do is add the counting practice, the daily counting practice. Sorry. So daily counting practice. Now I've already picked some, so I'm going to toggle back here. I'm going to just go to Monday to find it. You can see I already have a counting one on there. So if you click on it, go to YouTube, you can grab the embed code, share, embed. You guys know how to do this because we've done this. Copy it, go back to where you want to put it. You want to embed it. You guys know how to do that. Insert, embed, copy, paste, and it's embedded. And then now you want to embed the counting by 10. So again, toggle back, go to the counting by 10s one I picked, go to YouTube, go to share, go to embed, copy the embed code, toggle back to where we started, insert, embed, paste, and the next one's the phonics lesson. So again, toggle back. You want to go back to the module, go to Wednesday, find the phonics lesson, click on the phonics lesson, Okay, and then once you have the phonics lesson open, go down to share, embed, get the embed code, copy the embed code, toggle back over to where you started, insert, embed, paste, and then it should pop up. And then the next thing we need is the assignment. So we'll type in phonics assignment, and then you're going to highlight the phonics assignment. Remember, we're looking for PA4. Go to the little link, course link. Make sure you're on assignments. You're going to scroll through the assignments. The nice thing is these are in alphabetical order. So you're going to scroll through the assignments until you find PA4. Keep scrolling until you get to PA4. So there's PA4. So click on PA4. It's going to be a hyperlink. Go to the next one, which is reading. Toggle back. Go back to your module. Go back to Wednesday. We're doing reading. Reading is superpowers. So click on superpowers. Now, when you click on this link, it's going to take you to the Lucy Calkins. So just hit edit, click on the greater than less than sign, grab the embed code, copy it, go back, insert, embed, paste, and it'll paste the hyperlink that you need. And then type in reading assignment, highlight it, go back to link, course, and then again it's in a quarter, so you're going to look for superpowers. If you ever forget what an assignment is called, you can go back to the module, go down to what you're looking for. You were looking for Tuesday, And you can see where it says Superpowers 10 Celebration Assignment. If you forget, you just again, it's in alphabetical order. So just keep going until we get to S. Right, and then once you get to Superpowers, you're looking for Superpowers 10. And there's Superpowers 10. Click on it, and it'll hyperlink. You can delete the extra spaces because we don't need them. And then the same with writing. Toggle back to the other one. Go down to your Writers for Readers. Click on it. Again, this is a Lucy lesson, so you can just hit Edit. Click on the greater than less than sign. Copy the hyperlink. Copy the hyperlink, back, toggle back, insert, embed, embed the code, and then you're writing assignment, and hyperlink it, so you're going to go link, code, and toggle back so I see what it was called. Sometimes people change the name on you, so you have to look. So yeah, like see how this one doesn't start. You expect it to start with Writers for Readers, but it doesn't. It starts with Session 7, a val chart, so you're going to look for that. So you're going to look for Session 7. So we're going to go all the way back down to S's. Oops, I don't know what I did. Let's do that again. Sorry. We'll scroll all the way down to S's. There you go. There's Session 7 of val chart. So click on that. It hyperlinks it. Same with math. You're going to toggle back. Find the math lesson, composing and decomposing with 10 lesson 3. Click on it. And this one's tricky because you see how there's 2 on here. So when you hit edit and you go down to the greater than less than sign, you'll notice there's a whole bunch of embed codes because there's 2 videos. So you have to do each separate. The embed codes always start with the P and end with the P. So you're going to take from the end of this P up, copy it, back, toggle back over, insert, embed, and then embed it, and then toggle back, grab the second one, remember it's only to the P, copy it, and embed that. If you do both embed codes at the same time, it'll only embed the first video. So you have to do them separate, unfortunately. And type in math assignment. This was composing and decomposing 10 day 3. So link it again. Course link. Assignment. Scroll down. Do you see composing and decomposing 3? Hyperlink it. Right? Then math. Science and social studies. Go back. Go to module. Go down to Wednesday. Scroll all the way down till you get to science and social studies. Okay, this is the YouTube video, so you want to hyperlink it. So edit. Greater than less than. Remember, from P to P. Grab it. Copy. Toggle back. Insert. Embed. paste, submit, and it's there. And then you need the assignment. Somehow I went the wrong place. Oh, it's not there anymore. I don't know what I did. Embed. Right, there it is. I don't know what I did. Somehow I erased it. Right, so then the science assignment. And again, if you forget what the assignment was actually called, you can go back to modules, scroll down to Wednesday and look to see what we named it. Ways objects can move, day 3. So toggle back, go to link, course link. And then you're going to be scrolling for a while because this one started with W. So let's go all the way down. W's. Way too much stuff in our bank right now. It's going to be crazy by the end of the school year how much stuff we're going to have over here. Alright, so here's way. So I said ways, objects, move, day 3. So we go ways, objects, move, day 3. Okay, now we add a few extra things like the Haggerty lessons. So you have to add those in because we don't have a spot for those. I am planning on going back to our blank module and adding this all in there, but you should still know how to add it on your own, just in case for some reason I don't do it, or you just need to make something or add something for just your students. So I usually add Haggerty between reading and writing. That's when I do it in my class. You can add it if you want to add it in a different place, that's fine. So if you click in the box, you see these pop up. I want to add a table above writing. So you see how this X is above it. That shows me that it's going to be above. And then you can type in phonemic awareness. And then you have to go to YouTube and find a Haggerty lessons. We happen to be in week 12 right now. So, and Wednesday would be day 3. So you can look right here where it says Haggerty, week 3, day 1. We don't know who this lady is. We assume that she's doing a great job. So we're going to grab her embed code, copy it, go back to my original spot, embed, paste, submit. And we don't do a Haggerty assignment. Now, I did create I will try to create each week a sight word review. I'm going to try to have it already ready for everybody. For right now, you can toggle back to, so I already put it down on Monday's module. So if you scroll back over here and click on the Monday module, hit edit. Actually, you don't need edit, sorry. You'll go down and you'll see, oh, okay, let's skip for a minute. You'll go down, you see where I've already put sight word practice. I put that your child should be able to read it within 3 seconds or less. That just helps them know that it needs to be fluent. And so if you click on there and hit YouTube, you can click on the embed code, so share, embed. Now this one I made does not have me talking in any way. It's just the words being flashed in about, I think I gave 5 seconds between each one. The parents are going to have to be there with them instead of us having to record it with us talking every time. I can. It's not that hard. If you guys would prefer me to have somebody reading the words to them in case parents can't be there with them. I'm thinking at 5, their parents are pretty much with them all the time. I could be wrong. Anyway, so you go back to Wednesday. Now I need a place to put it because we don't have it. And again, I'll try to go in there and put this in for them, for you guys, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm thinking, you know, I'm just going to put it before writing because that would be good to have a review of your sight words before you go to writing. So again, you're going to click in the box, click on the one that shows